Let the story unfold.
Another year has gone by in the history of Central Academy Bapunagar Bhilwara. Milestones have been achieved, old traditions have been kept, and new ones have been made. Central Academy has come a long way since 1991 and built a conducive environment to nurture passionate learners and gracious citizens. We all celebrated our silver jubilee in the year 2015, which was a symbol of endless strive towards excellence. And today is its 30th Foundation Day. Yes, we at Central Academy Bapunagar Bhilwara are celebrating our Pearl Jubilee, Vitan, which means expansion.
वितान शिक्षा का वितान या विस्तार एक ऐसा शामियाना है जो अपने भीतर समस्त विश्व को समेट लेता है। किसी प्रकार की सीमा या बंधन इस वितान के आड़े नहीं आते हैं। इन्हीं भावों से प्रेरित होकर हमारी प्राचार्य महोदया श्रीमती शालिनी दीक्षित ने वितान थीम की परिकल्पना की है।
15 July 1990, the historical day when the foundation stone of our school was laid. School is called the second home of a child, so the school infrastructure plays a budding hand in creating a favorable environment for the overall development of a child.
किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत से पहले ईश आराधना आवश्यक होती है। इसी क्रम में गणेश वंदना के साथ आइए शुरुआत करते हैं खूबसूरत महोत्सव वितान 2020 का।
छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक तेरी छवि अति सुंदर सुखदायक जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक जय गणपति वंदन गणनायक।
Warm greetings on the outset of the Grand E-celebration of 30th Foundation Day of Central Academy Senior Secondary School Bapunagar Bhilwara. I take this opportunity to extend profound reverence to our founder chairman Dr. Sangam Mishra sir, Director Madam Lakshya Mishra ji. My sincere accolades to our administrators, vice principal, worthy staff members and dear parents. Central Academy Bhilwara is well known for its academic excellence for last 3 decades. The highest selections in sports at international, national and state levels have given wings to young centennials. The infrastructure spread over 8 acres of land adds to its exuberant ambience. I wish good luck to our alumni over the globe and pray to the Almighty to safeguard the entire humanity during these challenging times. Namaskar.
Since the beginning, academic excellence has been glorifying the board results of our school. This year also, Class 12th results has crowned the team of our mentors with 40 students who have scored above 90%. Humanities stream has been topped by Priyala Gupta with 97%. She has brought laurels to school by becoming district topper. Raja Thakur Sodani has scored the highest 96.6% in science stream, and also two students Aditi Kanungo and Rahul Rati have topped in commerce with 95%. With the same high spirit, we are looking forward for the 10th board results.
We have so many pearls added to celebrate our Pearl Jubilee, one of which is Kritika Kabra of 12th Science, who got a chance to meet Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in Pariksha Pe Charcha.
विद्यालय की कक्षा 12वीं के विज्ञान वर्ग के छात्र ओजस्व गुप्ता ने एनटीएसई और केवीपीवाई किशोर वैज्ञानिक प्रोत्साहन योजना इस पर्ल जुबली के वर्ष में उत्तीर्ण करके खुशी को दोहरा कर दिया है। यही है विद्यालय की शैक्षिक गुणवत्ता का विधान।
Just ask universe for help and we see wonders. That is what we call a miracle. And this miracle emerged to us in the form of students who made us feel proud through their extraordinary talent and achievements in various fields. This is how Central Academy School, Bhilwara, has its own universe, wide, vast and endless.
30 years of excellence in the field of education. The methodology of teaching has to be tailored according to the needs of the present generation. In today's world, with so many technological advancements and competitions, a child has to be a logical ruminator, innovative entrepreneur, and ingenious with a scientific temperament. Teachers always stood as warriors in every situation, whether it is linked to the academics of a child or a co-curricular activity. To encourage our teachers, management even gives them prizes for their attendance in the school for a complete session.
गुरु की महिमा क्या कहें, निर्मल गुरु से ही होए, बिन गुरुवर जीवन कटु फल सा होए. We are proud to have such a team of teachers dedicated towards school for more than 10 years and have become the pearls for our school. Thank you teachers, we salute you.
The family of Central Academy find utmost pleasure to hear from our alumni who have brought laurels to school and crowned the entire team with beautiful jewels of success in different fields.
मैं नर्सरी से 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक सेंट्रल एकेडमी में रहा हूँ. मेरे लिए स्कूलिंग मीन्स सेंट्रल एकेडमी.
One can come out of Central Academy, but Central Academy never comes out of anyone. Thanks a lot.
When I joined Academy, I was a shy kid. I didn't like to participate much in activities. I was not able to ask questions when I had doubt. But those 5 years of my school life has changed my personality drastically.
Other friends, I am very thankful to all my proficient teachers for rendering us just the perfect education and values to us to be prized and utilized for years to come.
I owe a lot to the school for laying such a foundation that has made me what I am today. Also, I am indebted and thankful to all my teachers for their continuous and immense support and guidance.
विद्यालय की पृष्ठभूमि में अपनी सेवा व निष्ठा से योगदान देने वाले सभी पूर्व शिक्षकों के प्रति विद्यालय परिवार आभार प्रकट करता है।
सेंट्रल एकेडमी के सेवा काल को मैं अपने जीवन का स्वर्णिम काल मानती हूँ।
Today, I feel privileged to reconnect myself with a deep sense of gratitude.
It was a great teaching experience for me working in the cordial environment of this school.
On this occasion of 30th Foundation Day, I would like to wish all the staff member and principal men all the best and hope you will take this institution to new heights.
Wishing everyone who has been, is and will be a part of this legacy. Lots of happiness and success.
Hello everyone. First of all, we would like to congratulate the entire team of Central Academy for the Foundation Day.
We believe that this school is best for all-round development of a child.
It is also one of the oldest and the largest school. The teachers here are hardworking, dedicated and friendly, headed by a very charming personality who is highly experienced and enthusiastic, that is our principal ma'am.
We at Central Academy School, Bapunagar Bhilwara, owe to this leader who transformed his vision into reality. He is none other than our Reverend Sir Sangam Mishra.
On the auspicious occasion of 30th Foundation Day of Central Academy Bhilwara branch, I congratulate the very efficient and dynamic principal, Mrs. Shalini Dikshit, Vice Principal Ritu Yadav, Ansul Soral, Principal, Azad Nagar branch, our worthy staff members, our dearest students, all the parents, guardians, and all our well-wishers. Central Academy Bhilwara branch is known for its outstanding results in academics as well as other fields too. It has one of the best infrastructures amongst the Central Academy network of schools, having approximately 8 acres of land with all facilities. The galaxy of dynamic alumni of Central Academy has reached greatest heights in the various fields serving the society in influential positions. Within 2 years, our 3 students have been selected in Indian Administrative Service with good ranks. We have nurtured our many doctors, engineers, CA, CS to reach their full potential and excel in their respective fields. I give the full credit to my team and the team leader. इस संदर्भ में एक कविता मुझे याद आ रही है कि हमारी अब तक की कामयाबियों को तुम्हारे नाम करता हूँ, हमारी अब तक की कामयाबियों को तुम्हारे नाम करता हूँ, तुम्हारी लगन को मैं झुककर सलाम करता हूँ. Nowadays, the whole world is facing a tough time due to COVID-19 pandemic. And it is commendable to see how hard our staff has been working, taking online classes every day. And it's good to know that our parents are satisfied with the progress. Once again, I congratulate you all and pray to God for everyone's good health and safety. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Warm greetings of the day to all the viewers. On the Pearl Jubilee celebration of Central Academy, Bapunagar Bhilwara, I extend my sincere praises and gratitude to the Almighty God. for making this celebration a success. I would also like to thank the eminent members of the management, proactive and dedicated staff members, my lovely students, worthy parents for their enormous cooperation and support for making this 30th Foundation Day of the school remarkable and memorable. Thank you. Jai Hind.